Know where I come from, you know. So I know where I go. Remember when me the part.
What's going on, Bouncer gang family? What's going on, guys? Guys, I'm back again, guys, in another video, guys. Yeah, right now, guys, I'm about to eat some breakfast, you know? Yeah. So right now, guys, you know what I'm gonna eat this morning? I'm gonna eat some fried plantain. I'm gonna eat some egg. So I say, I have some bread on the side, so some wheat bread. I mean, you know me, I always have my vegetable. They have a little piece of pear, avocado leaf, you know? So, I may have me hot chocolate right there, so. Yeah. So, this for me for my breakfast. You see me? So, remember guys, if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. You see what I say? Because we have big things that will come on. We have a whole lot of things to drop. Yeah, so, if you're not subscribed yet, please, go ahead, subscribe to the channel. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Because we have a bag of things that can drop over here. You see me? You know over here, so I'll be your love. So right now, I'm going to mash up some of that food there. You see me? Just get up and fry some plantain. Some egg. You know me, I always have my vegetable on the side. I always have my vegetable on the side. Hope all of you have a good morning this morning, though, you know? Everybody wake up healthy. Free, man. Disappear. I know. Breakfast is just right, you know? It's not too heavy, just up on the right level. Bread are nice though. Me do the 24 egg challenge. I mean like say, all the people see me and I say, yo, what me can never eat that for 24 egg? Trust me. 24 egg, 24 boiled egg if you eat them. You have people who can do it in a but that 24 egg they're not easy to eat. Me try my best. I tell her say, yo, when I reach 12. When I reach 12, I tell her say me start feel like you know, my stomach start feel different. Like me, I say, yo, what am I really can't go more than I'm forced to reach, or me say me reach 15, I say, alright, I'm gonna try to eat more. I tell her, tough. Now for my friend them I say, yo, Biggs, I should have hit off all like 24 egg them man, but it's not easy. I try my best, but it's not easy feed. I tell them, the 24 egg is not easy feed. I love egg, you know. But she don't like that 24 egg there. It's not easy. I tell you. And my friend in my workplace, I barely have money and laugh. But I said, Big, I can't believe say it so much egg. Some people I say I should eat more. Some people I say they can't believe I eat so much. So, you know, it's like so my friend of mine said, Big, you know, yo, you should have eat half whole egg them man. Some people I say, yo, brother, why you eat so much? Some people I say, oh, me eat so much. You know, man. No mind. Tell her, you know me know is a man, me no really mind, you know. Not like get up in the morning and have a good breakfast. Have a good breakfast, you know. I tell her. Even if you not eating a lunch, but eat a good breakfast. I gotta do some more cooking video. Through from a day I kinda kind of busy a little bit, but so sometimes I reach home, me only, you know, can't do cooking video them, but I gotta do some more cooking video, you know. So I have a whole lot more things to cook. Enough more. So soon drop some more cooking video. Cause I love cooking. I love cook. Then like this man when I come down now, I say I gotta make breakfast. You know, sometimes I make break, you know me I say, yo, enough time I don't want to video when I do it, but tell you, he had a phone stand with me over there, break, so I have to get a different one. Then when I cook, I can just put it down and, you know, and do what I do. So that's why I can't video the food as it. Yeah, this is the last of it. Last bite, you know. Well, I know it's good. Yeah. Yeah. For real, guys. That was good. You know? Very good. So right now, what am I gonna do? I gotta just get up, just go and get ready. And make a run up on the road. You know? Make a run up on the road, you know? You can look through, you can see through the window them over here, you see the window them or the sunshine look pretty out the door. But trust me, sunshine look pretty out the door, but it's cold, same way, outside cold. Outside cold and look how the sun is shining. Look how the light come through the window. And it's cold outside seeing, guys. But remember, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. See me? Don't forget, subscribe to your channel. If somebody say, comment and say what you have to say. Whatever you want to say it. Yeah. You see me? And you see over here, so I beer love over here, so yeah. And remember, peace out.